Here we go into some basics for the data mining step. Just simply things that are things you would want to know, back to the basics type thing. What we're trying to do is figure out where the best areas to go into for sending letters. So we're looking for certain criteria, and the only way we can do that is by finding all of the zip codes to start. So we go to freemappedtools.com, and you'll come down here and it's going to ask you a radius. I put in 60 miles and then put in a zip code. Just thinking of a zip code locally. Type in your zip code, click on search, come down here, and here is all of your zip codes. Once you find your zip codes, you'll put those into your spreadsheet, the data mining spreadsheet. When you do that, on that data mining spreadsheet, you'll have those all laid out. Bring this down here so you can see what I'm talking about. Make sure to also review these other modules that we have. Download the spreadsheet. You're going to place your zip codes in the column that says zip code, not in the yellow column. I know in the video he places it in the yellow column also, but it was just showing you areas to put them, not where you're actually supposed to put them. So you would want to put those in the zip code column. I got them placed into the zip code column, but if you go through the videos, you'll find that there are specific ways to make it so you can do the copy and paste from the Excel file. You're going to put it in, or from a Word file into an Excel file. You're going to place your zip codes in a Word file. You're going to select all of them after you paste it on there. You're going to insert a page break. But go through that video so you can see how to do it. Once you place these zip codes in here, you're going to take each zip code and you're going to go to data.com. And then you're going to put in the zip code that you're looking for. Once you place the zip code that you're looking for, it's going to come up with all the information that we're looking at. So it's going to tell you what the population is in that area. And then you come down here and you're going to start seeing the information that you're going to want on your spreadsheet. Here is the median house value and median house income. So this is the house values at 183. You would place that next to the zip code. This number you're definitely going to want to keep in mind, because what we're looking for your zip codes is 25 to say 90% below the median house value state-wise. So you're going to compare it to the state value. We're looking for 25% or more below the state numbers. So this zip code really does not fit what we're looking for. But if you come down here, you also would see your median house income level. And again, that's something that you would look at too. But the median house values are going to be something important that you would want to pay attention to. Every single zip code that you have in that 60-mile radius, and if you saw here, there's quite a few that I would have to enter. Every single one of those you're going to want to find the information on. There are going to be some of the zip codes that are P.O. Box zip codes, so they may not have any information at all for what you are needing because they're P.O. boxes. But again, what you're looking for is the 25 to 90% below the median house value and income levels. So those numbers are important. In that data mining spreadsheet, you're going to put the median house income and the median house value. You can put the city and state also next to there so you have an idea. But the zip code, these three columns are the most important ones that you're going to be filling in. This is for me or your coach to fill in. This is telling you how many leads are available for those zip codes. Sometimes you're not going to get all that information on our part given to you because there's some issues with system or whatever. But the important part is to know the median house value and the median house income so you can make a good judgment on where to send to next. That's the important part that you're looking at. You want to be able to know where you're sending to and that it's at a good numbers to what you're looking for. So again, this is where the zip codes go in the zip code column. The yellow column is for your coach to fill out, but these three columns are the most important columns that I need you to fill in. The rest of it are important too, but the three columns right here are the most important: zip code, median house income, and median house value. Again, the websites that you're going to go to are the city-data.com. You're going to want to pull those websites for all of your zip codes. It's not going to be a 5-minute process. It's not going to be an hour process. This is going to take you a couple days to finish. That's why we try to give it to you a week ahead of you running out of leads or more. So make sure to spend time on this. Again, this is not going to be a quick, easy thing to do. 25 to 90% below median house incomes and values is what we're looking for. Make sure to have every one of those zip codes filled in. If they are P.O. Box zip codes, so you have no information on them, just put a 0 there or put them at the bottom. Or take them off, just so you know that they're not ones that you're going to want to send to. But anyway, make sure to go through the other videos also. This is just kind of a video that just to give you a basics. But I want you to make sure you go through the other videos to get a stronger understanding for what you're looking for. Thank you guys.